Going to unlock an Audi A6. Stay tuned till the end of the video for the funny parts. Do we know where the keys are?
Yeah, they're in the center console.
Okay, I'm going to open this door over here.
Buttons are like right here.
Okay, I don't need any buttons.
Okay.
Buttons is not the correct way to open it, especially on the newer cars. On an older car for like 2010 and back, they might work, but on the newer cars they don't work. Appreciate your help. Is it your car?
Yeah.
Are you Matthew?
I'm old, but definitely my son.
Okay, so you're Matthew.
Yes.
Okay. That's what I figured.
He pulled up and he just, like this, we're unloading stuff, and then all of a sudden it just goes, and I looked at him, he looked at me, and I went, did it just lock? And he was like,
Yeah, I've heard. So you leave the keys inside and it's not supposed to lock, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the robots do what they want these days,
Yeah.
apparently.
My batteries, I guess, were low in the key, and so I don't think it picked it up that it was still in there.
It could be that. I've heard this like hundreds of times. I don't know hundreds, but many times.
Well, and I have like an app that's supposed to be able to unlock it, but it just keeps saying I can't connect to it.
Okay. Don't stand directly behind me. Yeah, watch out, because the stick might come and yank it out. That's what the alarm sounds like, I guess. Criminal breaking in! And the security guy from the booth's gonna come up here. Probably gonna do it again. These windows are a little more tinted than I'm used to. You're not going to be able to hit the electric button. It's not going to work, so you got to reach in there, go in this door and grab your keys.
Okay.
Audi A6, the electric buttons will not work when the alarm is going off. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll know so you can get notified for other videos like this. All right, take care.